Hi everyone. You may have noticed that we didn't schedule a community open hours this week. The reason for this is that on Tuesday, we'll be hosting our Distributed SQL Summit, which will feature several talks about SQL at scale, and Yugabyte engineers will present how to run Postgres application in a cloud-native environment. We'll have customers sharing their use cases of migrating to YugabyteDB, and we will be also talking with some partners. And as an AWS hero, I'm particularly looking forward to solving the clock skew problem in distributed system on Amazon Web Services. I will run a 2 hours workshop on indexing. If you have read my latest blog post on the order of colon in the index definition, we will explore this topic in depth with hands-on, and please bring your question and feedback to the chat during the workshop.